Hey there guys, Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to my Stamp Camp announcement. So if you've been with me the past couple of years, you know that I've been doing Stamp Club Online, and that is a program where you've placed a minimum order. Once, one every 6 months, you got to be the hostess and you got all the rewards, and then at the end you got free product. So Stamp Camp is going to be very similar, but it's also going to be completely different. So it will require a 6-month commitment from you and a $25 minimum purchase every single month. And that's where your commitment ends. That's it. That's all you have to do. Each month, starting on January 3rd, you will have between the 1st and the 15th of every month to place your order with a hostess code. Now, the day I email you the hostess code, you are also going to get an exclusive project. You're going to get a project and a video and supply list and a instruction sheet, like a recipe. And each month we're going to focus on a different technique or a different way of stamping. It may be embossing, it may be fancy fold cards, it may be watercoloring, it may be coloring with the stamping blends, it may be heat, dry embossing, it may be any one of those techniques. And not only are you going to get the things digitally, but you're also going to get the supplies to make each project every month. So once you've placed your order on the 15th, once everybody has placed their order, I will email the hostess to let her know what her how much money she can purchase, and then I will mail out your kit so you can make the project that we've made, or I've made, in the video that I sent to you. So I really think this is going to be so much fun. I think it's going to be beneficial for you. It's going to be beneficial for me because, I've been stamping now for, this is my 9th year, but that doesn't mean that I'm an expert. I still mess up. You guys see my mistakes. You see me start over. You see me take forever. So yeah, I think all of us can learn, and we can learn from each other. So there will be a Facebook group, and as soon as I get my new blog up and running, there will be a password protected page for you guys to go in. That's where all of the stuff will be handled. Feel free to post your projects, etc. So sign up are open now. We have a few spots available for the first round. Once we have 6 people, I'll start a waiting list and we'll get a new round going. It's first come, first serve, so those of you who sign up first will be assigned the month. The first 3 months are the funnest because of course that's celebration, but it's also the occasions catalog. So cute. Oh my word, so cute. You're really going to want to sign up. So if you have any questions, let me know. You can email me at TheJollyFatElf@gmail.com, or you can comment down below and I will answer any questions that you have. So January's will start on January 3rd, and that's a little different. Going forward, it'll be the 1st through the 15th starting February, and we'll go all the way through June. But the new occasions and celebration catalog don't go live till the 3rd, and today is the 1st. So I meant to make this video a week ago, but Christmas time, y'all. Christmas time. So if you'd like to sign up, there's a link down below. Just click the show more button. It'll take you to the Google form. Just fill out your information. Make sure I have a good working email address so I can send you all the information. So thank you guys so much. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you real soon. Bye for now.